crazy, eh? The crazy gutter. Oh, you got your hair. It's terrible. Oh, it's terrible. It looks so ugly now. But I'll tell you something. Once that resin pours down on top of these little tiny dots, it's all going to be, instead of the thickness of the dot you're seeing there and the shadow it casts, instead it's going to be encased in a clear fluid, and all you're going to see is the glitter that's left behind. Oh my Jesus. Oh, and then you have the pillars of creation here in the center. I just hope, oh, that's nice, isn't that nice? It's just fucking crazy. I fucking love glitter. I've got it bad for the fucking glitter. Do you know what I mean? Look at it. Oh Lord. And then you have this here. This is the headless dragon part. This is the dragon I'm gonna make. Added a whole thing. Alright. You have a look around.